We're here at Nozstock. It's British summertime. How's your festival?
Pardon?
How's the festival for you?
Brilliant. I'm right by the sub speakers in cubicles right now.
Oh, great.
So
Awesome.
Vibration is just...
Vibration. Are you deaf, yeah?
No.
No?
Hence why the air...
Nice. You're smart.
Safety first.
Yes, safety first. 1, 2, 3. I've wanted to come to a festival for a while just to kind of get my confidence back up, but also just to experience a festival, you know, back to normal life, back to reality. If you've never been backstage at a festival, here is the VIP toilets, disabled toilet. You've got the men's toilet. If you're a big-time celebrity, then you get a tent. If you're not a big-time celebrity, you get a smaller place over here. But that's, you know, you're still a big-timer. Oh, right, well, let's go. Shall we go somewhere else? Let's go around. There's nothing else here. I'm so glad I came out. I love Britain. What a country. I don't know if you noticed, but it's raining.
Inside.
Do it again, do it again.
But about inside.
Oh, yes. Doing the news.
Okay.
What's the news in your life?
The news is shit.
It's got 0 life highlights. Oh wait, no, the news is usually like fear and sad. So anything fearful and sad.
I'm sorry.
Or I could do a generic question. Come back, I'll do a generic question.
Oh, no, don't.
How's the festival been for you?
Terrible.
Okay. Is this made for men or something? It's basically for men, because, you know, men are the only ones capable of doing scuba diving, whatever that is, expedition. Appreciate you all being here. I'm so glad you could make it. Can you just calm down? Thank you. So I'm officially drenched and there's only 7% battery left on this camera. That's it, basically. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check the weather before you go to a festival, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye! Right, we're back. It's Sunday, it's the last day of the festival, and I mean, didn't plan on recording this bit, we'd already ended the video, but it's sunny, so I just wanted to show you the fact that we actually do have sun in the UK. Shock. Yes. What am I doing? Oh, it's a charger. Do you want to charge your phone? Look into the middle of the spinning disc for 30 seconds. All right, let's go. Honestly, I got nothing from that other than, like, my eyes just being funny. Well, thank you for watching that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.